Credit repair businesses are losing their clients every single day. They don't know how to tackle these customers with AI systems. So for example, someone submit a forms, they getting reply after one day. If someone book appointment, they don't get follow-ups and they don't remember when they have booked their meetings. And they don't have any live chat system where they can ask their questions. So it means you don't have receptionist. So in this video, I'm going to build whole credit repair system, like designing funnels, creating auto reply emails in SMS, designing your complete booking system with pipeline setups, and also with your chatbot reception as well, where chat would work like as a receptionist and he can book appointment automatically, he reply automatically your customers, and also he can set up appointments. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. Hi, my name is Aslam Manzoor. I have done round about 600 plus go high level projects with different industries like dentists, real estate agents, credit repairs. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. So first of all, you can see that's a credit repair funnel we have designed in Go High Level. Go High Level is a CRM. If you don't know, the link in description box below, you will get 1 month free. And we have designed this landing page for credit repair company. With all these necessaries things, like we have proper call to actions, we have proper trust build system, and we have proper video testimonials, and we have some written testimonials and how it works. We have proper plans, everything we have on this page. And we have 3 pages. We have booking page here. When someone click on a booking page, call to action, they will automatically dive here on booking page, and here they can book their appointments for according to availability. I just disable my availability, so that's why it's not showing here. And also we have thank you page as well. And the main thing is that we have chatbot here. It will work like a receptionist. It will help you to convert your customer more professional or easy way. And let me go back on backend. I will show you step by step how backend work. So here you can see we have these automation in Go High Level and how it's work. I will show you step by step. In the meantime, I will show you first of all pipeline stages system. Then I will show you these automations. And here you can see we have credit repair pipelines with new leads, incoming text, emails or incoming missed calls, incoming communications, schedule appointments, and even we have no-show or reschedules, unqualified, uninterested, nurturing system, and pending signatures and payouts. This is a fully customizable. You can just customize it according to your requirement. That's just I made for basic requirements of credit repair with all necessary things. So it's a super easy to edit it and to change it according to your requirements. I just go back here and you can see I just added. You can add more stage here, and you can edit these stages as well. If you want to edit these stages, it's a super easy. Just click and you can change it, and you can change drag and drop as well according to your rules and regulations and what is your business thought. You can do that with these pipelines. And let me show you what happened on it. When someone book your form, submit your form on your landing page, someone submit this form, it will be automatically pop up here in your new leads, then automatically start sending them follow-ups, emails and SMS things. And after that, what happened that when someone book appointments, similarly things goes on. And if someone book appointments here, it will be go here the same pipelines but with appointment schedule stage here, and you can customize it and change it according to your reply. And on backends, we will start sending them follow-ups, emails and SMS. Now I can show you automations. So for example, first website, someone submit form, what happened on backend? I will show you step by step. So basically, when someone submit form on our website, what happened? We will assign to user, your team members, it's up to you. And then we have add into opportunities, and you know which opportunities or pipeline we're going to use. We will add note here. What's the note about these leads? And then we will send internal notification to your team. We have new leads, you can connect with them. If form submit, we will add tag and we will send to this workflow, send follow-ups. So what is follow-up workflow? I will show you step by step. So I just go back here and one more step, go back here. And here you can see we have follow-ups. So in follow-ups, what we can do, we will start sending them follow-ups until they not became our customer or they not our leads or hot leads. So we will start sending them follow-ups until they not be our customers. So here we will add from workflow. We don't need to add any trigger because we are adding from previous workflow. We will add tag. We will add to phone call now as well. If you want to do a call, so you have to do manual call. Then we will send them this email. You can say, we can say that this is following on your request, free consultations. Then we will add tag again. We will add slightly wait here. Then we will send SMS, then we will wait 1 day, then we will send SMS, then emails, then wait 1 day. So that's how things going on until they not be a reply or until they not be our customers. And if they not reply after 7 days or 8 days, we will remove from here and we will add into opportunities and we will start add into nurture workflow. And what is nurture workflow? I will show you. We will remove from follow-up, so we will start sending them nurture sequence. Nurture sequence means that we will add nurture like 1 month, 2 month or 3 month, and after 1 month we will start sending them emails and SMS. So now I will show you a booking system, complete booking system. So for example, someone book consultation on your page. What happened on backend? So if someone book appointment on our calendars, we will remove other tags, we will add into workflow, we will remove from other workflows, we will add conditions if they are, we will check if he reschedules or if he new. So in our case we can say that it's a new appointments. We will add tag consultation is booked, then we will send internal notifications, and here you can see we will send internal notification to teams, or it's up to you totally. And then if we will check if the customer is already exist into our pipelines, so we will start sending them here. If not exist, we will go with this one and we will start sending them follow-ups 24 hours before of meetings, and then 1 hour before meeting, then SMS same 5 minutes before meeting we will start sending them follow-ups. And similarly we have, if they reschedules, we will add tags and then we will add here and we will send these same reminders. That's how booking system work, and that's how no-show work or cancel appointment work. In both cases we will run almost same automations. I will just go one step back, and here I can show you chatbot things. What happened chatbot? So I will show you here. Here you can see if someone starts chatting here, what happened? It will be assigned to user and also send notification as well. So when customers start replying on your chatbot, we will add tag web chat, we will assign to user, we will find opportunity if already exist. If not exist, we will update conversion AI bot, and AI bot start sending them notification with emails, with SMS, wait 30 minutes, remove tags, and then remove from other workflow if they book appointment, if they start chatting. That's the first step of live chat automation can do. And in a second automations what we can do, I will show you. We generate full summary and then we will send internal notification with this summary. Like we will send to our team members or our admins what would happen on whole chat. And that's the important workflow when the customer or client start with chatbotting, and we will automatically assign to your real human as well and start humans communicating with customer as well in a minor way. Now I just go back one step and I will show you DBR workflow, database reactivation campaigns. So for example, before this system you have tons of leads, like thousands or 2000 leads. So they are your previous customer, you want to upsell them. So it's a super easy. What you need to do, you can just add your customer into this workflow. Then we will start dream modes, because if you have 2000s, we will add dream mode. After 1 minute, we will add 5-10 leads. Then we will add notifications. We will remove from all other users and we will assign to user, remove DBR tags, active DBR tags, and then we will start sending them emails and SMS until they not be your customer. You can see we will start sending them. Still it's the same. If they not reply, we will start sending. So we keep sending them emails and SMS. That's how we will activate our old databases. And this is also main automations. If someone missed call on your number, you're not available, it will be automatically send them emails or SMS. We can say that we just miss your call, you can do another call, or whenever you have time you can book appointment. So you can see we will say that if call is cancelled, if call is busy, if call is no answer, is voicemail. In this case, what happened, we can start sending them emails and SMS. We can say that we did a call, you miss our call, here is our proper time, so you can do again calls. We will send push notification, we will send internal notification as well. That's how our missed call automation work. That's the most important features for, especially for repair, credit repairs. Here we have social media automation. If someone comment on your Facebook, your Instagram, it will be automatically reply in comments and send SMS in inbox as well, DM as well. And similarly, we have payment automation. If you have product on your website offers, you can link with it, it will be run all automation like payment successfully done, we will send a congratulation email. If card not working, we'll send them, hey, your card is not working, you're just one step away to buy this product, so we will automate something like that. And if there is DND, don't disturb, so what we can do, we will stop sending them emails and SMS, and after some days we will add into nurture automatically. That's how your credit repair system will be automatically automates, and you don't need to take care of anything. Your chatbots, your auto reply of form submissions, auto reply on your booking system, you have complete credit repair system. You will get free of cost. Just you can buy Go High Level with my link, the link in description box below. Once you sign up, you can just comment on this video, I sign up, I will outreach to you, and I will give you this whole system free of cost. Otherwise, you can book. If you have already Go High Level, you can simply go leadsflex.com, and also the link in description box below. You can jump on it and you can book your free consultation, and I will guide you step by step how it's work and how things going on. I will show you all these things free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.